Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change and edit your location country on your Upwork profile. This is especially useful if you've relocated or need to update your profile to reflect your current working location for better client transparency. First, open your web browser and navigate to Upwork.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Upwork dashboard where you can access all your profile settings and job opportunities. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This section houses all the key information related to your Upwork account, including personal details, payment methods, and location settings. Once you're in the Account Settings page, scroll down through the various sections until you find the one labeled Location. This is where Upwork stores your current geographical information that's visible to potential clients. Right beside the location field, you'll notice an Edit button. Go ahead and click on it to begin making changes to your location details. After clicking Edit, a new interface will appear allowing you to modify your location information. Start by selecting your country from the drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down and browse through the list until you find the country you want to set as your new location. This ensures that your profile accurately represents where you're currently based or working from. Next, you'll need to fill in the additional location details. Enter your address in the designated field, followed by your city. After that, type in your zip or postal code. These details help Upwork and potential clients understand your exact location, which can be important for tax purposes and project logistics. Once you've entered all the required information, look for the Update button and click on it. This saves all the changes you've just made to your location settings. Upwork will then process these updates to ensure your profile reflects the new information accurately. After clicking Update, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is Upwork's way of verifying that you indeed want to proceed with these changes. Simply click Continue to finalize the process and confirm your new location settings, and that's it. You've successfully updated your location and country on your Upwork profile, ensuring your information stays current and accurate for clients. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.